Today I'd like to talk about scaling in AutoCAD and to show how to scale it from inch into metric before we take it into the Perfect software. In this drawing I can see that it appears to be an inch. However, I don't know if maybe this drawing is scaled. They may have it scaled 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. You just never really know. So I like to go ahead and snap my own dimension just to be sure. So in that case, I'm going to come up here to the toolbar and I'm going to click on dimension. When I click on dimension, select a corner, select the other corner, and I can see that they're the same. So this drawing is a 1-to-1 in inch. So I'm going to press escape and get out of there. All right, and now that I know that it is an inch and that it is accurate, I'm going to select everything on the screen. And I'm going to type in scale. Down the bottom left-hand side, I can see that it's asking for me to specify a base point. So I'm going to select the bottom corner. It really doesn't matter what we select, but I'm going to select that. And then I need to type in 25.4 and enter. Now, let's say the drawing was a 3 to 2 or a 2 to 1 scale. I would have to scale it up an inch to a 1-to-1 scale first, and then scale it a second time into metric. So now my drawing should be in metric. If I look at our dimensions, there we go, 758.95 and 901. So now I know that this drawing is in fact in metric, and I can make any changes to the drawing, add drills, taps, or contours as needed to import into Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a good day.